So I have this LED light. I have about 5.
Okay.
So I want to sell maybe 2 or 2 here.
You want to sell?
Yeah, I want to sell 2 so that I will get some money to move around and create my content.
What kind of LED light is this?
The big one.
Those medium sized.
It's the one that carries these 2 giant batteries. I have that one. I have the one that carries 1 battery, the big one. I have that aperture, that kind of aperture kind LED.
Okay.
I have that one too. I have the normal small one that carries all those Sony battery.
Okay, yes, those ones.
I have that one. You have enough lights now.
Me? No, it's not. Even if I want to, even if I want to get lights, you understand? Obviously, it will not be your lights that I will do. You understand? I don't want you to. I naturally do not want you to sell your lights, but I also want you to be able to move around because I cannot. They're very good. I'm limited at this point in time. Yeah, so I'm trying to put my head around it and see what the possibilities are. You have like this guy. If I need like I will ask you. Yeah, that's why I will ask you. But then the question is how can we see the lights and ensure that because I understand the issue because you have to be practical so that you can move forward and you don't feel any one sense of.
Yeah.
Because that's one thing that you have to think on your feet, just to see how can we solve this problem now. Yes, so you can sell the light, you can buy it back.
Yes.
You have
if you make the money.
Exactly. So you have to think. I understand the position that you're in. So
it's part of investment.
It's part of investment. As long as you know that it's not as if you're going to be wasteful. It's just for you to just balance.
Yeah.
Everything is.
And if you have a video on YouTube that gives you that, let's say 1 million views, even 500,000 or 200,000, and you make good money, at least. Okay, was it last month? Okay, this month, YouTube paid me $100. At least I was able to send something to my wife. That was a big one for me.
It is. Definitely, I see what you're saying.
Now I have a place. If I invest, money will come out. And not that I'm just starting YouTube. The YouTube is there. It has been monetized. So just for me to find a way around it to make money. Our graduation is next week, Thursday.
Okay.
For YouTube Shorts community. So from next week, I'm part of the YouTube Shorts community now.
Okay, you have to go through a particular course.
Yes. They trained us for 8 weeks.
Wow.
We started last year. So now if anything that's happening on YouTube, will be the first to know before it gets to the public. You get to know some other stuff.
Wow. This is very interesting. I didn't know that something like that.
Eh?
I didn't know that something like that exists. That
Okay.
there's a community.
There's a community.
Social
There's a social community.
You understand? And the beautiful thing about it is that you can also stand out with your own unique content.
Yeah.
So it's not about just being Google kind of thing, but with your own unique content, your unique audience.
Yeah.
You understand? That's and unique impacts that you're able to make.
Yeah.
That's pretty unique. So, and then of course, what your message is, your like probably to the Benue community, you understand, and also out diaspora and all of that. Bringing what is happening, to Lagos and all, putting things together, for them. I think it's really, and then as you go, you continue to, what's the word? You continue to evolve, have new ideas, because that's obviously something you need to continue to try. Until you get an idea that is, I see that there's sometimes that you just have one idea, and you don't put it out there. Your video that probably was 30,000 views, your videos, it's just not, you understand, views, 500,000, 2 million views, 2 million views, you understand, just because of an idea.
Yeah.
You understand that people find interesting, and they say, you don't see that video, you understand, that kind of thing. And that's how. That's what we continue to celebrate. We learn something that helps. But one thing stands for sure. So if you're committed to something, you're committed to it. It's just a matter of time.
Yeah, that's true.
It's just a matter of time.
There's this big one that YouTube Black. That's a big one in Africa.
YouTube Black.
Yes.
Oh, it's another group.
It's another group. Yes.
Wow.
That was Black people that are into YouTube. It's a big one. Got to that level now. They can sponsor your trip.
Wow.
Places. Go to some places to give lectures about YouTube. Sometimes the YouTube, they normally send me some survey to do about YouTube and so many things, new things that they want to bring. I should share my opinion about those things. So, like gradually, we are moving forward.
Yes, so true talk. In this Nigeria, people can keep all these things, all this kind of information will help a lot of young people. They don't go here.
Well, the thing there is that if you follow people online and watch them, and I think if you follow all those skit makers in Nigeria, if you watch their videos, you will not be able to get those kind of information from them. It's all those people that do travel videos and all those things.
They have the information.
They have the information.
It's just all of them. They just enjoy the thing. They just keep
sometimes when they find it, just everybody just hold it to themselves.
Yeah. Hey, that's the thing. That's one thing about this country, Sha. You understand? Information that will really help people. The information not is spread.
Like the YouTube short, I was watching it. I was watching a video of Tayo. That guy normally
I know.
Tayo, yeah.
The one that
travels around. Yeah. I was watching one of his videos. He was just talking about the event, blah blah blah. now quickly rush and look. I search. I found it, then I registered. So that's how I got into the training and all of that.
Wow.
You know me now, I love documentaries. Once I can watch, if it's 2 hours, I will sit and watch till the end because I enjoyed it.
I really like that guy.
Yeah, it's good.
It's really turned.
Now it's moving everywhere.
So, everywhere.
And you know, if you go down to his channel, you see when he started, he was doing reviews of some other things, different kind of things. You know, just trying to find where he belongs. Then he got this travel lifestyle.
Living life.
It's just cool money that you get without stress.
Yes, so without stress. With enjoyment on top, sir. Very good.
They will prepare for you to come and enjoy.
Yes, so yes, now. She just put her body inside the this thing. There's time for everything.
Yes, sir.
There's time for everything.
You must have a starting point.
Yes, so
You cannot just jump from one point to
you
another.
can't just if you jump, you bounce back.
You bounce back.
There's no way life will rebalance you.
Yeah.
It will rebalance you.
It's a process.
It is.
So if people feel that once they come today, they will make it today.
You know, right from the beginning, that's one thing that God has helped me. I don't have rush mind.
Yeah.
You know, I don't have rush mind. I just if I start something new, you know, I know that it will take time. That's one thing I know. I know that it will take time. You know, so I first put it in my mind that God should just give me the strength to just wait that time for that thing to. Because most of the time I used to give it more time than the actual time that. I remember that time when I started Tomati. I did Tomati. I said, okay, I think I work on this thing like 3 years, 5 years, and I continue to make submissions. And they are better, and it's improved. That I may be able to get somewhere. If the things are good, I know we'll be able to like it. I didn't even think international or anything. I was just thinking, local. I knew that obviously there are not too many people doing it, but if the thing makes sense at a point, you understand, we will not also have too much competition.
Yeah.
As in, because we won't be plenty inside. That kind of thing. It was right in that year that we Tomati that was first revolution of what I was saying. But then the process still continues. Essentially, that's how things continues to go. You never can tell. Obviously, for the work, I've always prayed that, be able to make money from it. But the direction it took, I see that I didn't plan it. Plan that to go in a way that to have more international traction and even local this thing.
And it's still going.
By the grace of God, it's God's message. That sometimes you look at it and say, you don't have much funds in your hand. I remember when this last travel I traveled, it's very funny. I wasn't holding anything. I have any money at all. At all. Zero. I was traveling with zero. I think maybe $1 or $2 in my account. I tell you this. I don't even think I was about to check again. Yeah. But in terms of the quality of this the place I went, of course, you understand, end of the line. Same thing when I traveled earlier on. So right from the airport, somebody's waiting for you. You understand? You know, nice ride to pick you to the hotel. You know.
Special treatment.
Yes, yes. You know, you have PA.
I understand what you're talking about.
When I had PA in the first one. This one I had 2. You know.
Wow.
You know, so it was just anything I wanted. As in like, you want, are you okay? You're fine. You understand? They just today you give me this gift, tomorrow you give me this gift. So you know, that kind of thing. They were just they were amazing. I don't even see how their money looked like. Because everything they buy, do you need this, do you need this, do you need that? I never saw how their money looked like. They're so amazing. That's this thing where you know, they invite you to come.
All those journeys just step by step.
Oh yes.
You have to climb step by step before you reach at the top.
Step by step. Like it.
And it comes with a lot of sacrifice.
Yeah.
Climbing is not always easy.
It's not. Only step by step.
And then when I was in Benue, someone said, who has made did they go and bring this guy food? I was just saying in my mind, when I was in the wilderness, you did not know.
Exactly. You just think that he just showed up.
Yeah, he just carried you from nowhere.
No, that
People were attacking me left and right.
before.
So we've been here for a very long time. You just came.
And then you want to take over.
You want to take over everything.
Last now person work like this week. Is your even if you don't know all the wahala you have gone through, you understand? Your work is the one that will be speaking and saying, you understand? People don't just magically become. People don't just magically have good work.
Yes.
It is process.
Process.
It's process. They've gone through things for their work to be good, for their work to be efficient, effective.
That's true.
Just look at the person and say, where did this one come from? You know, especially like, you know, somebody that somehow your road did not cross the person's path. One day you also see this person, say, who's this person again? You understand? I don't know this one. Yeah.
You know, politics now, they will say, we used to suffer with this man when we were doing campaign, move around. Some people say, my camera is spoiled, we did this, and today, nobody's even looking at our face. I just say, no, me do myself, and I God do am also. Like to look down on other people. Say that say the person doesn't deserve. It's not something human beings can actually even determine. You know, so who deserves what?
doing your thing. When this year started, in spite of the fact that last year was quite busy for me in terms of, especially for the second half. You know, even I'd gone to Benali in February last year. You know, but most of the second half, I was traveling almost every 2 months.
Yeah.
And when I entered this year, I looked at it, I said, well, it's not likely that this year will be as busy as last year. You know, because I traveled to a lot of places last year, a lot. You know, and I looked at it, well, you know, you can't now expect that would be, it could just be that, you know, already even 2 years ago, I was like, you know, it was quite busy, a lot of things happened 2 years ago. So last year I was like, look, I'm like, didn't come. Okay, so let me just calm down. 2024, let me go back to where I start from. You understand? Let me try and improve my puppets, work on a few things that will be better, make I can say. Okay, work on a few, because I don't even know if third language is open.
I don't think they have opened it.
They've opened it. Let me check. You see, just let me find out through this place. I didn't even check. Can you help me check the address on Google? Is this something you can do? Can you? Okay. This is my map. Try to look at the address. It's just 9 o'clock. By 9:30, if I don't reach there now. See, the address is here is one address. Yes. I did party house. 42 Montgomery. 42. Okay, so let's go to maps. Let's start. Okay.
The 9 minutes. Minutes. Yeah.
Google has changed everything. In those days, we go park, ask person.
Do you know the road to this place? Do you know how we can get to this place? Things Things have changed.
The thing that will make you ask, it shows that God don't cause wahala.
Like yesterday, I wanted to come to this Echo Bank. I forgot about this Echo Bank here. I was just looking for the Echo Bank. I went to Echo Hotel. I have to trek from that Echo Hotel to come to this Echo Bank here. It was when I got to this junction, I saw that this is I know this place now. Around this Ozumba.
Zumba again.
Yeah. See.
So that's the biggest Echo Bank.
I say, see life.
I don't want to go there.
I went to Echo Hotel and then from there I trekked from that side. By the time I got there, I was so exhausted.
I'm sure you will be. Definitely. Road free. I say this is how Lagos should always be.
Amen. Yeah, we hope so.
The road should just there's small traffic, but at least
Let it be moving.
it's moving. Yeah. This is our problem. The problem of Lagos is so many. Expensive. You understand? Heat today.
Like, hi.
In traffic. How? So many generations where you turn like this problem.
Yes.
Yes, because you really have to encourage yourself.
Encourage yourself like David.
Yes, so and tell yourself that things will get better. But it's not because the problem is now. It's coming that that's the end.
The event is finishing. They are going to finish tomorrow.
Okay, this is a good one. You see, you don't finish see the work we don't do for them. Because they finish a part.
Yeah. Our YouTube graduation is around this place.
Okay, this area.
They say the hall, I be the hall.
Okay.
It's around this place. Yeah, that's life.
Oh yeah, there will always be challenges. You can't escape it. Sometimes when I see the way challenge is yeah.
But it makes you strong.
Yes, it makes you stronger.
Makes you strong.
Sadly, it makes you stronger. But then what do? You just, if you want to pass through it, you have to be strong.
Yeah.
You have to be. You understand? When somebody go come look and say, who is this guy? You say, people don't see things. People have seen things.
You have suffered.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People have seen things. What was I telling the other kid? Okay, yeah, we were having a talk. And I said, do you know that? This is I just traveling everywhere. You understand? See, there was a time that for a whole year, me and the puppet now we dey look each other. I go just sit down in front of this thing like this. So one of the things I thank God for is that it wasn't like I felt bad about it, but that was my situation. You understand? I just sit down. Once I sit down in that upstairs in school, I sit down in front of this thing like this. I look at it. If I put this one here, if I put this one here, this one is yes, so tomorrow let's say we go cut grass or somewhere. We add the grass. We do alright. Next time go improve. It's been to be honest, I enjoy the process. So I cannot complain about that. But then, you know, see reality, 1 year, 2 years, just sit down in front of all those things and this thing. There's no inside all those things. It wasn't like I said looking like airports.
Yeah.
Inside. So there was nothing like that. It's like I'm gonna find the bridge. I'm going to climb the bridge. It's the next thing I need to see.
You're studying on the road?
I'm climbing the bridge, yes. I just wanted to be sure.
Oh.
So, there was something like that there, and it just did my so, and if it doesn't go anywhere, but I enjoyed myself doing it. Somehow. You know, but if you go somewhere, it's just I don't know how far it will go or anything, but I just know that try make it make sense. So that I would have done my best. But I know my own bits.
Yeah.
That kind of thing. You know, the new dimension to it was when I was not going for all these competitions. And Nigerians and competition. You understand? It's not an easy something, Nigerians and competition. It's a very tough something because when you go for a competition with Nigerians as a normal everybody come, they flex themselves. So by the time you see people's flexings, you can say, God, what I did do for you?
Everybody wants to show off.
Everybody show themselves, you know, and Nigerians know how to show themselves. Just look and see one more. I look at myself and say, God, am I supposed to be here too? I just give up. That's not the principle at which I work. I don't give up. If I fail trying, fine. But I know that I tried. If I failed,
Yeah.
let me say, I just I gave up. That kind of thing. And so that's for me.
Are you going down?
No. Okay, now down this place here. I don't go down. Go for me.
But there's traffic.
Okay, for there's traffic. I better make it day. I will need the traffic. Everything I need to go sit down for there, go wait. You don't want to reach yourself. You see? But I'm not sure say that road will continue to feel like that throughout the day. That road will be just passing. As in the road will be passed from Ajan. I'm not sure say it will feel throughout the day. Look like road doesn't block.
Because you are surprised.
I'm surprised now. Just, surprised.